What are you all doing here?
We were cooped up for so long, we ended up acting like the pigs on Pig Brother and forgot what's really important. Each other.
Yeah. No.
And we needed a place to watch the live broadcast of Pig Brother finale.
Well, that's not my problem.
It's about to start.
I can't see. What about me? But I can't miss this.
No can do, Pooty Man. Oinky can't see.
That's it. What? They're not live streaming it? What year is this? I gotta find a TV to watch it on! Can I watch Pig Brother with you?
Sorry, my couch is overbooked.
Can I watch Pig? No!
Keep it down! I'm trying to watch Pig Brother!
Oh, sorry you missed the finale. It was the best. Thanks for letting us watch it in your room on that big screen.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
You know, they just put the finale online.
Bayo, you're right! No one's gonna spoil it for me now.
Hi. My name's Amber. You may recognize me from Pig Brother. I won the grand prize on last night's episode. A week stay at the Zoo Back Resort. I'm checking in.
Oh, yes!
Mr. Pudu, we're still out of room, so, we'll have to put her in yours.